following message is transmitted at the request of the Wyoming Highway Patrol. The Wyoming Highway Patrol has issued an Amber Alert at the request of the Winds River Police Department for 3 juveniles, Marcelina, Harley, and Brody Potter. These juveniles were taken from the home of their custodial grandmother in Arapahoe, Wyoming on the Wind River Reservation on Monday, June 13th, 2022. Marcelina is a 7-year-old female, 100 pounds, last seen wearing a white shirt and black shorts. Harley is a 6-year-old female, 70 pounds, last seen wearing a red Volcom shirt. Brody is a 4-year-old male, last seen wearing a black shirt and red swimming trunks. Police are looking for Serena Perea, no other descriptors, and Shelina Blackburn, also known as Nasib, no further descriptors. Subjects were last seen driving a black Ford Fusion with a broken rear window. No license plate information was made available. Anyone with information should contact the Winds River Police Department at 307-332-3112.